and get you nowhere. End up somewhere nowhere. In the desert, something better. Freestyle or written for the cheddar. I don't care if you rap a little better, if you act a little better, yeah, it's all for the cheddar. I want the money, I want the bitches, I want winning foes with the switches. Yeah, they hating on the ball, but I don't really care, cause I don't got raw. No, I'll sell you a couple balls, sell you a couple ills, sell you a couple pills, too real, no still. Catch me on the back, no will. I don't need a car. Catch me on the bus. Too many slugs. Got me powdered up. Yup. I be on some shit. Niggas hating on me. I be on my. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying.
Yo, I don't got a girl right now, cause I don't wanna support one. Pour out a line and your homie might snort one. I don't go to court for my baby, cause she don't wanna let me see her driving me crazy. I don't like this, stop switching. I should've never had kids with white bitches, cause it been making me go ill, man. Sometimes I gotta pop a pill, man. That's how I feel, man. I rob and I steal, man. I never killed nobody, so I don't wanna kill, man. But I will kill, man. It's like, I'm big boy, you's a young boy. You run, boy. Don't. Okay, let me get a puff of that pulp. Listen, I smoke weed till it's stinking. I'ma grow my hair real long and sing like George Clinton. Never